So why is it important to be deliberate with the design of your bonus plan documents? If a manager or HR were to take time to explain a plan to employees, they might have an hour at most. For a candidate being interviewed, the plan discussion may get 5–10 minutes tops. That's why a plan needs to be easy to understand. There are three areas I focus on for winning bonus plan design concepts. A plan should be relatable and calculatable. The document needs to be simplified, and everything about the plan should be modular. We are not focusing on how to build or determine the metrics, nor how to calculate them. Rather, we are focusing on how to make the document easier to read for both current and prospective employees and easier to build for your compensation team. So have you ever seen a bonus plan that is over 20 pages long? I have, way too often. I always found them to be too complex and hard to understand for the employees and job applicants. Therefore, you should focus on creating a plan the reader can relate to. What is relatable? Relatable is people can follow the calculations when they read it, and people can understand the calculations used for determining how much they will be paid. Language should be clear and easy to read. If the calculations are complex, provide tables that can be used for reference. Basically, make the plan simple. Don't overwhelm the reader. Give them what they need to focus on to produce results in as simplified a way as possible. While the calculations may actually be complex, the bonus plan should be simple. Can a graph, chart, or table make something easier to understand? Are you using language, terms, and concepts that employees are familiar with? And think about having a centralized document that can be referenced for recurring and complex concepts. Another trick that I found to be helpful is using a modular design. There is a reason why so many business models use modularity to make their business scalable and successful. The modular design means something can be easily inserted or removed from each plan document. Modular components allow updates to be made with a simple plug-and-play process. Therefore, you can make changes centrally, then paste them to any appropriate documents. By applying these simple concepts to your bonus plans, you will make them relatable and easy to calculate. You will greatly simplify them, thus easing the upkeep requirements. And finally, keep the plans modular by leveraging a plug-and-play philosophy. Your plans will be easier to maintain. Thank you for viewing this presentation brought to you by Greg Laney. You can email me at greg@compensationguru.us or visit my website at compensationguru.us.